The brothers washed their hands in a nearby stream and opened their boxes. To their surprise, now what they have done, they have washed their hands, they were ready to eat their lunch, and then they opened their lunch boxes. Now, to their surprise, why they were surprised? They saw that while Ramesh had been given 3 paratas, there were only 2 in Suresh's tiffin box. Now they were very much surprised that mother को तो equal देना चाहिए दोनों बच्चों को. That Ramesh she has given 3 paratas, so Suresh also she should give 3 paratas. But they were surprised because of this, because Ramesh had 3 paratas and Suresh has only 2 paratas. Why? Because perhaps, probably, shayad, perhaps their mother thought, okay, now perhaps ऐसा हुआ होगा, perhaps, probably, maybe their mother, she thought that Ramesh, with his heavy appetite, okay, because he was heavy built, with his heavy appetite here means the thing that urges you to eat more. So Ramesh had heavy appetite, means, for example, if he has a good diet, नॉर्मल भाषा में आप बोलते हो, इन नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज से, ही हैज़ अ गुड डाइट. सो he had used to have 3 paratas, or sometimes he might have having 4 at home. So looking to this, their mother, she packed 3 paratas for Ramesh, and he would eat more. So he got 3 paratas, and Suresh, he never used to eat more, so he only got 2 paratas. So but Suresh, he was very much upset looking at this. He was very much upset looking at this, that I have only 2 paratas. So maybe he was angry, in his mind he was very much angry with his mother also. So as they were about to start eating, now when they were about to start eating, a traveler came up to them and said, "Brothers, I'm sorry to interrupt your meal, but I have lost my way. I'm very hungry. I have money in my pocket, but where can I buy food in this forest? If you share your food with me, I will pay you for it." Now, as they were about to eat, a traveler came and he interrupted बीच में टोक देना, interrupt करना, बीच में टोक देना किसी चीज़, कुछ चीज़ हो रही है, anything is happening and you interrupt it, okay, you interrupt it in between, उससे बीच में टोक देना, बीच में रोक देना. So that he was very much sorry. The traveler, he said that, "Brothers, I'm very much sorry that I interrupted your meal, okay, but I have lost my way." Now he's saying, I have lost my way, okay, I don't know where to go, and I am hungry, I have money, but this is the forest and there is no food outlet. No food outlet means no restaurant, no dhaba, nothing. No food outlet is here where I can eat food. So I have money, you have food, can you share your food with me? Now he is saying that if you share your food with me, I will give you the money, I will pay you the money, okay. So Suresh readily agreed. Now Suresh, what is the difference between Ramesh and Suresh? As we did earlier, that Suresh is a miser person, so he was happy that, okay, we are getting a chance to earn money here. So he was very much happy. So he readily agreed. Agreed. What was the reason of agreeing? It was to earn money. And Ramesh nodded too. Nodded means moving your head up and down or sideways. Okay, up and down, जब आप हाँ करने के लिए नॉड करते हो, that is nodded. Okay, so he nodded too. But because he felt sorry, because what was his reason? He felt sorry for the stranger. He felt sorry and he wanted to help him. They had two different reasons, which we have done in the question answers also. That Suresh, he wanted to earn money, and Ramesh, he wanted to help the stranger, the traveler. The three settled down and divided up all the parathas among themselves. When they had finished, they washed up. The traveler placed 5 silver coins in front of them and said, "Thank you. You shared your food with me. When I was about to faint with hunger, I will take your leave now." Now, after this happened, after both of the brothers, they agreed, 3 of them they settled down, they sat down, and then they divided the parathas among themselves. Okay, when they finished eating, the traveler washed up and he gave 5 silver coins to them, to the brothers, to 5 silver coins to the brothers. That stranger, the traveler, he gave, and then he said, thank you, you shared your food. Okay, so now Ramesh he had that coins. So Ramesh took 3 of the 5 coins and gave the remaining 2 to his brothers. Now Ramesh took 3 of the 5 silver coins which was given by the traveler. So he was making a usual division according to the parathas, because Ramesh had 3 parathas and Suresh had 2 parathas. So he was making a usual division, जैसे आप normally divide करते हो. So he was making usual division, that I had 3 parathas, so I will take 3 coins, and Suresh had 2 parathas, so he will take 2 coins. Suresh was very angry. Now looking into this, Suresh was very angry. He said that we shared our food equally. With the man, so I should get half of whatever he gave us. Now, what is the half of 5? Half of 5 is 2.5. Okay, the half of 5 is 2.5. So Suresh was saying that I have shared half of my food, so I should also get 2.5 and you will get 2.5. Okay. Earlier, Ramesh was keeping 3 coins with him and 2 coins he was giving to Suresh. So he said that I want 0.5 more from that, because I also equally shared the food. Now, what is the problem here? He has given 5 coins. How can this 5 be equally divided? It is divided like this, 2.5, but Ramesh said that I don't have any change here. Okay, I don't have any change here. Can we cut this coins into half? No, we cannot cut, but we will see the value. कितने दिए हैं? Okay, we will see the value. उसने हमें कितने पैसे दिए? So he said that I don't have change right now. Ramesh said that I don't have change right now. I will give you when we will reach the city. And I will get the change. So I should get half of whatever you have gave us. This Suresh said, you should give me another half coin. He's saying that I said 0.5, this half coin you should give me. So Ramesh smiled and said, I shared 3 parathas while you shared 2. So I should get 3 coins and you should get 2. But if you are unhappy with this division, I don't mind giving you a half coin from my side. But I don't have any change at that moment. When we reach the city, I'll give you your remaining share. Now Ramesh said that I don't have any change right now. When we will reach the city, we will earn the money. And at that time, I will give you the change. When we will reach the city.